Hey, what's up fellas, it's Brigad coming to you again with another video, and today we're taking another look and another product review from Hybrid Gear. I do want to give a special thanks and a shout out to everyone for reaching out to me and asking me if I want to do this quick honest review for you guys. But before I went and said yes to him, I did a little bit of research about the brand. So this guy's been over in business for like 20 years and they're finally launching this new hybrid technology gear, and I'm very excited to do the review because they managed to combine like a incredible softness of a high quality shirt into an athletic shirt. So I can't wait to do this review and see how it looks, how it fits, and how it well performs. So without being said, let's get right into it. I already opened it. I just wanted to see how it really looks, so I could get an idea, but I haven't tried it on, so we're gonna try it all together. Alright, so here it is, nothing too fancy. And this is their Hybrid Gear Men's Moisture Wicked Tri-Blend Raglan t-shirt on the True Navy Heather size medium. And what I love about this brand is that they offer high quality apparel that is good, if not better than other high-end brands at a fraction of the price. And I can't wait to really try this on because, like I said, it's like a combination of a cotton t-shirt with an athletic t-shirt. And so far, I'm liking the material. Yes, sir. And another thing that I noticed is it doesn't have that little tag on top, so that's good because that does get really irritating, especially when you're working out. So this shirt, you could actually wear it throughout the whole day. You could wear it as casually. You could take it to the gym afterwards. Man, I'm really digging this shirt. I just can't wait to see how it really performs. So with that being said, alright, so here it is. Guys, you won't believe how comfortable and the softness of this shirt. I'm very impressed. I really love this shirt. The only little problem that I had was just the sleeves, but other than that I'm good because I know after a few washes it's gonna slip down to my size. But overall it fits perfect. It feels comfortable. Everything about this shirt I love. And this is something that I've been looking for a while, especially since I am a technician and I'm out in the field. I do wear like this athleisure clothing to work out in the field, but what I don't like about those athleisure shirts is that once you start sweating, even though you wear deodorant, I don't know, there's something about the athleisure shirt that just makes your armpits smell. And this is something that is combined with the softness of a cotton shirt. So I'm pretty sure you're not gonna have a problem with this type of shirt, but either way, I am gonna test it out and try it out and let you guys know in the future because it provides everything that I need for my job. I'm actually gonna order some with the company's name and let them know because this is something I can wear casually during the day and I don't even have to run home and get some gym wear. I could just use the same shirt, just take some extra shorts and pants and I'm good to go. And this is what this brand provides. So anyways guys, I'm gonna go ahead and try this outfit for you guys because I love this shirt. Let's go. Hybrid Gear, adapt to life. Now I see why they use the slogan, adapt to life. This brand strives to provide comfortable yet stylish clothing that fits daily changing circumstances, giving you the ability to adapt to life, giving you health and happiness. So this shirt is for anybody who's looking for stylish and for the casual guy looking for comfortable. This is also perfect for exercising, perfect shirt for an everyday wear. Also, what this shirt provides is moisture wicking technology that's helping you stay dry and fresh for the rest of the day. And what else can I say, guys, but to say that I'm sorry, because this video should have been out at least a few weeks ago. They did give me a promo code, a BOGO, where you buy one get another one 50% off. You can also add your own slogan, your own whatever you want on this shirt. And so I'll have the link listed on the description. Hopefully it's still fresh and you guys could use it if you guys do want to take advantage of that deal. Me, I'm most likely gonna take advantage of it because I do need something like this for my job, because I am going to the gym afterwards and I don't want to be coming home running down and getting some fresh gym wear clothes, and I don't have time for that. So this is perfect for me. But anyways, guys, if you guys want to take a look at it, I'll have a 50% off BOGO link in the description. And like always, it's your boy Gabs. Peace.